It's a good day, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to Happy Cuisine. I recently bought this book from Amazon. It has recipes from MasterChef Season 1, 2, and 3 that is made by different contestants from each season. I really look forward to try these recipes and let's see how it turns out. So today we'll be recreating Zaika-e Basmati Khas made by the Red Team in Hypercity Challenge from MasterChef Season 1. And don't forget, you'll be getting the full recipe in the description box. Now let's start making it. In a pan, add water that's sufficient to cook the amount of rice taken. Don't add extra, and do keep in mind we are making jeera rice. With that, add green cardamom, black cardamom, and peppercorns. Include salt and boil for 5 to 7 minutes and keep aside. In a small bowl, mix the curd with an equal amount of water. In another deep vessel, heat butter, add cumin seeds and let it crackle. Add spice water that we had made before and add curd water. Bring it to a boil. It does curdle, but don't worry. Mix in basmati rice. This recipe calls for basmati rice, but feel free to swap it with jeera samba rice like I did for more flavor. Add more salt if required. Boil the rice on a high flame, and when rice is just undercooked, reduce the flame, cover the vessel and cook till done until the water is totally absorbed. I'll show the cooked rice when we assemble the dish. For round patties, combine boiled beans and cauliflower that are finely chopped with ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, salt, and basin. Shape into round patties. Heat oil in a kadai and deep fry the round patties in a medium-low flame. Also deep fry sliced onion till brown and crisp. Coming to the part where we assemble the dish, serve the round patties on a bed of the prepared flavorful rice. Sprinkle it with fried onions and mint leaves. That photo was taken from the cookbook. The taste was amazing. I had a thought that the patties would not be enough to give the flavor, but when I ate the rice along with the patties, I could not believe it. There was no need to make dal or anything to accompany the jeera rice. It was so flavorful with the patties, and I had never tasted anything like this before. This dish can be made from simple ingredients that are lying in your kitchen. Do make it because you will be amazed. Also, consider subscribing to our channel and do stay tuned because amazing content are on the way.